Reckless? Full of difficulties? In the wild world, every animal has its favorite food. Bears are no exception. Watch until the end of the video to witness the moment a bear climbs a tree to steal honey from a swarm of ferocious bees. Why is honey loved by many wild animals? Did you know that honey badgers' favorite thing is honey? Even baboons like that sweet nectar. And it's no surprise that bears also love honey. But getting honey is not an easy task. They faced an onslaught of thousands of bees. Bears versus bees. Usually, bees will build nests in trees. And to get honey, sloth bears need to climb trees. The smell of honey attracted this bear here. However, to get the honey, this bear must confront the solid defense force here. This time, the bees won. Due to being attacked by many bees, after destroying the nest, the bear decided to leave. A fallen tree contains a honeybee nest, which bears love. Maybe this 9-month-old bear has never encountered a bee. And sometimes it can be a painful process to get food every day. However, its more experienced mother bear is trying and the technique is tested. Successfully broke the hive. Honey provides sugar and protein from bee larvae. These two bears are actively trying to break into the hive. Many times I was stung by bees as a warning. Despite the painful bee attacks, these two bears still have no intention of giving up. After many hours of effort, they finally broke into the hive. Nothing can stop this black bear's hunger. Finally, the sweet reward for the bear is honey from the bees. Look at how this bear is joyfully savoring the special sweet treat, honey. Bears versus tigers. In nature, tigers are carnivores, hunting medium to large-sized prey. Surviving in the wild requires excellent hunting skills. After successfully subduing a wild boar, the tiger drags its prey away to hide the scent of blood before other predators join its party. The hunting habits of tigers make many smaller animals such as wild boars, deer, bear cubs, and rabbits fearful. Furthermore, this big cat can consume up to 30 kilograms of meat per day. The tiger's target is an animal with sharp fangs, so this will be a big challenge for it. But it does not miss this rare opportunity. It quickly takes down its prey. Surviving in the wild requires many great hunting skills. After successfully acquiring food, the tiger drags its prey away to hide the scent of blood before other predators join the party. Have you ever seen the amazing interaction between the king of the jungle and a bear? All was peaceful until these big cats came after the sloth bear's food. Stand up straight to give a warning. The frightened young tiger had no choice but to retreat. In nature, tigers especially like ungulates such as bears. Will it defeat a sloth bear in this hunt? But a lone bear is no match for a pack of tigers. Quickly, the victim is defeated. A fierce battle between the king of the jungle and a lazy bear. Realizing that it was being followed, the sloth bear was not afraid but immediately rushed towards the predator. Threats. But it doesn't work on this dangerous person. This time the sloth bear encountered a big problem. He continuously suffered strong attacks from the big cat. Unable to become the hungry tiger's lunch, the sloth bear fights back. The assassin had to give up. The black bear planned to attack the two tiger cubs. At that moment, two adult tigers emerged from the dense foliage and confronted it. Face to face, the two big cats forced the bear back. Pushed into the water, the black bear had to endure powerful attacks from two adult tigers. After unsuccessfully resisting, the bear quickly turned and ran away. The hungry tiger climbed a tree to attack a sloth bear. However, unexpectedly, the opponent growled and threatened, causing the Lord of the Jungle to flee in fear. Bear versus wolf. Most often, wolves locate their prey by scent. When a breeze carries the scent of their prey, wolves stand alert, eyes, ears, and noses directed toward their target. The presence of a predator scares the prey. However, wolves may never be able to catch reindeer running at top speed. But smart hunters will have their own tactics. An excellent plan. It can be said that wolves are very intelligent, and their hunting method also includes observing their surroundings. After discovering the predator, the elk herd ran away. Lightning reactions and impeccable reflexes allow the wolves to use the features of the terrain to their advantage. Successfully caught a moose. Winter is the time when most animals struggle to survive. However, that is also the time when gray wolves go hunting. They approached a herd of deer and attacked a small deer. However, these wolves have to both find food and compete with the king here, the North American grizzly bear. This bear weighs more than 300 kg and has claws 10 cm long. It can crush a wolf under its own weight. A risky bet. The wolf needs meat to survive. It risks its life for food. Three wolves rushed in to steal food from the bear. Tim. A bold move. However, with their clever strategy, the three wolves succeeded in getting food from the two bears. Winter in Yellowstone National Park. Amazing scenes are taking place. An adult bear goes looking for food in the snow. It was surrounded by a wolf corporation. Standing its ground, it had no intention of sharing its prey with the hungry wolves. Despite their large numbers, faced with this ferocious man, the wolves could do nothing but stand and watch. When working in groups, adult wolves always know how to tire their prey. Surround and attack the mother and baby elk. A big clumsy mother. She tried her best to protect her newborn baby away from dangerous people. But cannot. It was sad to witness this scene. The mother had no chance against the cunning wolves. In this vast territory spanning 2,500 meters wide and 50 kilometers long, it belongs to the dominion of the wolves. The deer living in this valley must learn to survive in the face of these hungry predators. The hunters relentlessly chase the herds of deer. With clever hunting tactics, they quickly enjoy a hearty meal. Food is scarce, forcing wolves to constantly travel up to 50 km a day. In front of them is a herd of elk, each weighing up to 300 kale, which will be a great meal for this hungry wolf pack. Hunting always comes with the risk of being stabbed by a hoof or being horned. Ungulates with long legs move easily through difficult areas. But the strength of the wolves lies in their effective tactics and incredible endurance. They use their advantage to target the moose's snout and legs. Herbivores struggle fiercely to find a few patches of grass. Elk become vulnerable in winter, but the predators grow stronger. Gray wolves form a formidable army of fearsome hunters. They are agile, bold, and highly adaptable to life on the rocky mountain slopes. Prey seeks refuge in the frigid Lamar River, where the wolf pack cannot enter. Then a leader signals another dinner awaiting them. They capture a weak woodland caribou. With a large pack like this, they must successfully hunt every day. Here we are proud to introduce our talented team. Behind every attractive video is our team. Content writer, passionate and knowledgeable. Dedicated and passionate about the animal world, our content writers will bring you exciting and accurate content about dramatic matches. Editors, sophistication and professionalism. Our editors are video editing experts and technical artists, ensuring a smooth and engaging video viewing experience. About Fighting Animals channel. We are a place to interact and share our passion for fighting animals. Join us to explore dramatic battles and touching stories about the animal world.